Hello everyone! Today I will teach you an app that is useful in today's education setup. Its name is Kahoot. Kahoot is an interactive learning platform that is perfect for education, team building, or even if you're just having fun with friends and colleagues because it allows users to create and participate in engaging quizzes, survey, and games. First off, download and sign up by visiting kahoot.com. If you are to create games, sign up for a free account by choosing your role. Say, for example, you're a teacher, student, or business professional. Once registered, you'll be ready to explore its features. And then you sign up as a teacher, you can click the Create button on the top menu. So you press Create. As you can see, there will be a lot of templates for you to choose from, or you may design from scratch. So once you're there, you press blank canvas, type in your Kahoot title, then as you add questions, you may include image or videos and set time limit for answering. So you can use any of the available images and videos you can find online. Say, for example, the Philippines. You can browse and you can select. So the question is, what is the capital of the Philippines? So the choices are Manila, Baguio, Cebu, and Romblon. You may customize it to fit your audience, and you may also create different question types as multiple choice, true or false, or many others. As you can see, the host will then put a marker on the correct answer. That will serve as a correction or as a key to correction afterwards. Once the questions are done, you may click on the preview button for you to see how your quiz looks like. So that's the preview button. And then you click done, click save, and voila, you have a quiz ready. Now, you can share your creation by clicking the share button to send the link via email, messaging app, or directly with other Kahoot users. Kahoot is also used in survey, discussion, even hosting a live teacher-led session. In few simple steps, Kahoot transforms learning into an interactive and experience that keeps students engaged. Thank you!